Right, I want you to go on your iPad and go to mine and your messages. What do you think? Your eyes are watering. You okay?
Patrick Schick.
There will be a penalty. Yeah.
And Julian Baumgartlinger coming on. Began together, finished together. So Lars Bender, to round up his career, is Lars Bender. I can just watch as this one sail past him.
Great gesture there from Roman Bürki to not have the biggest.
Welcome for Fletcher. He just caught Ronaldo. Frank Lampard, that is.
'Why are you crying? Oh, come here. Good lad. Give me another one, yeah? There you go. Oh, and I burnt my shoulder as well, so you can have that. Thank you.
Minutes are up. Paul Tierney blows his whistle, and Manchester City have done it for the 4th season running.
A bird, is it, which is on the pitch? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Do a little end bit.
Cristiano Ronaldo there